Hi guys, we're going to work on chick addition and subtraction. For this one, you're going to solve each problem, and then at the bottom it has a color by answer according to whether you had to use regrouping or not. When you're doing these, there are some addition and some subtraction. So the biggest thing is going to be paying attention to the symbols. The other part is that we are going to be using regrouping and carrying. So we'll start with this very first chick. The first thing I'm going to look at is what operation. What am I going to do? Am I adding or subtracting? I'm adding. All right. So now I'm going to look at my ones column. We always start with our ones. So I see that I have 5 plus 6. Ooh, a strategy. Ooh, doubles plus 1. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and 1 more is 11. I'm going to put my 11 is a 10 plus a 1. So I'm going to put my 1 down here, and I bring my 10 up here. So now I have to add my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s. So 15 plus 26 equals, this long line at the bottom means equals 41. Now we're going to the next problem. First, look closely. What sign do you see? It's right here. The minus sign. So this time we're doing subtraction. 46 minus 37. Now I'm going to look at the ones place. 6 minus 7. Ooh. 6 is smaller than 7. I can't take 7 away from it. I'm going to have to regroup from the tens place. There are more 10s, so I'm going to take 1 10. There were 4 to start with. That means there'll be 3 left. And I'm going to add it to my 6 so that I have 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. I could count up from 7. So I'm going to hold 7 in my mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I got 9. Sixteen minus 7 is 9. And now I'm looking at my tens column. 3 minus 3. That would be a 0. Okay, now we're going to move down. And we're going to try some different ones. So this one here says 54 plus 12. All right, I pay attention to my sign so I know what operation to do, whether I'm adding or subtracting. Now I'm going to look at the ones place. 4 plus 2. 6. And then I'm looking at the tens place. 5 plus 1. 6. So the final answer is 66. And we're going to go down one more row for one. I'll do one more subtraction and one more addition example. We're going to go for this one right here. So when I'm looking at this, I think, oh, what do I need to figure out first? Oh, I'm looking for the sign. So this one is a minus sign. We're subtracting. Now I'm going to read my numbers. 73 minus 25. And look at our ones place. Oh, 3 is smaller than 5. So 5 is on the floor and it's bigger. That means I'm going to have to go next door. I have tens, so I can regroup a 10 to my ones and borrow. So I'm going to cross out the 7, and right away I write my 6 up above because I'm taking 1 10 away from it. I want to make sure to write that 6 up above, straight up above it, so that I don't lose track. On this paper, there's not very much room to write the numbers in between. So I'm going to cross this out and just write 13 up here so that it's clear. Now I have 10. I borrowed 10. So 10 plus 3 is 13. And that's what I have in my ones place now. So I take 13 and I'm still just looking at my ones column. 13 minus 5 equals 13 is pretty far away from 5. I think I'm going to think about another strategy. I'm going to decide what other strategy I could use. I know my friendly numbers. So to get from 5 to 10 is 5, because I know 5 plus 5 is 10. So I have 5. Ooh, and from 10 to 13 is 3 more. So that makes 5 and 3, that's 8. So 13 minus 5 equals 8. Now I'm going to look at my tens column. And I have 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And my final answer is 48. We're going to look at one more addition problem. 66 plus 16. So I'm paying attention to my symbol. That's a plus sign. Now I'm just looking at my ones place. 6 plus 6. Oh, doubles. 12. So my ones, out of 12, there's 2 ones. Come right down here. And the 10 goes up above to add into our tens column. I'm going to start with 6, 7, 8. And our final answer is 82. If you need any more help, please reach out to one of your teachers. Thank you.